Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. This is going to be one of the weirdest unboxings I've ever done. Probably one of the weirdest unboxings you'll ever seen. But you may have already seen one very similar to this. I got a bag today. It's in here. Haven't opened it yet. It's from a company that isn't known for making bags, but they decided to make one.
Hasbro?
No. And I decided to get it. Another influencer showed this, and I immediately went to the web. This is so crazy. I immediately went to the website, and I put my request in to be able to purchase it as soon as possible. And my understanding is it's first going to be available on, well, it is now. It is available now. But what happened was when I said I wanted to be notified once it was available, they actually email you a separate code and say, please don't share this link, but here's a link so you can order it as soon as it's available. But when you go to that link, you actually can purchase it. One of the colors was already sold out. This bag came in 4 colors. Pink, blue, black, and tangerine orange. And I was able to get the color I wanted. And this is so unlike me. But I saw this and I had to have it. So here's the box. It's all nicely packaged. Global supply chain telephone is what it says on the box. To take these out of here. And if you've watched the other influencers opening, you might already very well know what this is. But again, this is a company that typically does not do bags.
Verizon?
No. But they did this.
Is it Heinz?
No. So, here's a very substantial box.
Gatorade?
No. And it says Global Supply Chain Telephone. Not 100% sure why it says that. And it does explain to you how everything came to be here. I just still can't believe I did this. All right. So.
Leave a comment below what color you think she got.
Jeez. So, it's a bag, and it's from the company MSCHF. And
tell them how it's spelled.
That's a good question. MSCHF. And says, first we asked a factory in Peru to knock off a Birkin bag. Then we told that factory in Portugal to mash it up with a Celine bag. Then they had a factory in India combine it with a Dior bag. Finally, they asked a factory in China to merge it with a Balenciaga bag. And this is the result.
So it's a Franken bag.
It is. This is the bag.
I think that's from Willy Wonka.
Look at this. And I'm not holding it crooked. It just like is crooked.
Oh my cow.
Oh my gosh. So let's do a spin here. I'm gonna, can you hand me those scissors? I'm gonna take this off because I'm keeping this baby. Oh my gosh. And this is the color I wanted. I don't know why. I've been loving blue lately. But, so here you have the front. And you can see this is like from Celine. So is this. The bag shape is very similar to both Dior and Balenciaga. And then the opening is supposed to be like that of a Birkin. So here's the front, the side, the back, the side, the bottom. There are no feet. It is a really pretty pebbled leather. Then the handles are magnetic.
Who's that like?
I don't know.
Oh.
Maybe that's their own. Then this flips open. And inside, there is a strap. And there is just a big old space here. It's got like a fabric interior. And then it's got a big patch on the inside here.
Is that a pocket or just a patch?
Just a patch. Oh no, you could. It is a pocket. It is a pocket.
So you could put poly in there.
Yeah, and then the back here says designed by United States, Peru, Portugal, India, and China.
Wow.
Then here the front has this little zipper. And this, look, even the zipper shape is funny.
Does the zipper work or is it for show?
It does work. And, ooh.
You could put a quarter in there.
You could do a quarter. You could do
50 cents.
50 cents. Right?
Wow.
Oh, zipper's not super smooth. Tell you that much. Oh, ooh. Don't want to wreck my bag the first way out. Oh, so again, this just opens and closes like that. Let's check out the strap.
Are you going to put the strap on?
Maybe. This is interesting.
Where does the strap go?
I'm not exactly sure. Well, if you haven't already guessed, I watched Cassie Thorpe's video, and she's how I saw this and had to have it.
Did she put her strap on?
It seems to me her strap, she did put it on. Okay, this has got to be something simple that I'm just not figuring out. There's nowhere on the inside to attach it. Does it attach to this somehow? Oh, look at this. This is like a little pocket too on the back. You could put another quarter in there. You could probably put almost $1 on the outside of this. But I am going to have to figure out how the strap works because I don't know. I am not sure how the strap works. So, yeah. Here it is. It says MSCHF on the front. And,
maybe that's part of the mischief.
Yeah, that the strap doesn't fit on it. I am not 100% sure how this goes on here. There's just nowhere to put this. There's nothing in here. Just that bag, you know. So it's gotta attach on here somewhere.
One would think.
Right?
12 hours later.
Right. So I'm gonna just say it somehow goes on like this.
That's an...
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm sorry. At the end of this video, if I can figure out or have a picture of this bag with a strap on, I'll show it to you. But, yes, this is my purchase. I absolutely love it. I'll love it even more when I figure out how the strap goes on it, if it does. Maybe it's a belt. But
And you put that through the belt loop and you wear it
right.
like a holster.
Right. Just fits on your leg like that. But yeah, I am just really excited by this. I think it is super cool. It is like nothing I have ever seen before. And
Nothing like most people.
it's beautifully made. I mean, the stitches are beautiful. The piping is fantastic. The leather is great. It smells good. It's beautiful. So
Very structured, huh? Quite rigid.
you should probably do the thumbnail like this and be like, do not adjust your screen.
Right.
This is what you are looking at. I was going to try to show how it sits. Here we go. So, if you want to know how it sits just like that. And so there you have it. The strap that I don't know how it goes on, and just a awesome, awesome bag. So, if you have any questions for me, leave them in the description box below.
We have one. How does the strap go on?
Besides how does the strap go on?
Oh, sure.
Which, like I said, if I can figure it out or find a picture of somebody with it on, I'll insert it right here. Right here?
I'm looking. I don't see it. Okay.
And, yeah, let me know what you think about this. Yeah, I just think it's really super cool. Apparently, they're a company known for doing some just really off-the-wall things. And this was one of them. I just think this is just awesome. I will use this. I will happily use this because I think it's a real conversation starter, if nothing else. Especially probably when people are like, why are you carrying the strap? And I'm like, well, it goes with the bag, and I can't figure out how to get it on.
Looks like a handheld shop vac.
So, I just think this is fantastic. I'm really glad to have gotten it. Like I said, it comes in orange, which is called tangerine, pink, black, orange, pink, black, and the blue. And I wanted the blue. I don't know what it is lately, but I have been super drawn to blue bags, and this is what I wanted. So, again, leave a comment down in the comments down below. Let me know what you think, and or just anything you want to say. I love when you leave comments. It helps me to interact with everybody and get to know you all a bit better. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. You can even hit the little bell notification. It'll notify you every time I put a video up. And you can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I usually post over there about once a week. I'm James Jam there as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. Put out videos generally on Wednesdays and Saturday. And thank you so much for being here. Until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Are you sure the strap's for that bag?
Yes. Hi, you're not done seeing me. My hub's figured out how the strap goes on. He found the little holders for it. So it goes on like this. It is adjustable. I'll show you right now how it is. Oh, that's sitting really nice for me, just like it is. But I could make it a little bit longer. It's one of those ones you know, stick it up and shove it down kind of thing. So I'm not going to play with it right now. But it does look like, man, with a little bit more, maybe it could go crossbody, but kind of like it just like that. So, there you have it. The strap does work and there are little hooks for it. Your blind host here just couldn't see them originally. So, there you go. Strap does work as well. I love this bag. I would recommend it. I think it's awesome. And until next time, bye.
It takes a man.